Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw a cute rainbow, clouds, and a happy sun. Grab your colors and let's get started. First, I draw a big fluffy cloud at the bottom.
Oh yeah!
Then, I draw colorful layers for the rainbow. I made 4 beautiful layers. After that, I add some small clouds and a big smiling sun in the sky.
Yes!
Now it's time to color. First, I use light purple for the first rainbow layer.
Yeah!
Then, I use blue for the second layer.
Woo!
Next, I color the third layer with green.
Woohoo!
And finally, I color the fourth layer with bright red. For the sun, I use yellow for the center and orange for the outside to make it shine. And finally, I go over everything with a black marker to make the drawing pop and look super neat. And that's it! Our colorful rainbow and happy sun are ready! If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawings! See you next time! Bye!